George is here to give a tour of my camper. Yeah, it's a Flagstaff 2017 pop-up camper. Special edition, like off-road
sports package. Because you can go off-road.
Yeah, you can. So, gonna give you a tour of everything. Okay. Well, like and subscribe, please.
Yeah.
So, this is the guest sleeping area, and it's a queen size bed, and you have your windows that open up. It's really nice. And Karen made these curtains for me because the ones that come in it, they're not. They're ugly. So they're heated beds, and but see. Anyway, and then you have your table. And this is, you know, you can take this in and out. You don't have to always have it.
I love that part.
Yep. Okay. Well, we're going to take it out. We're going to leave it up. Over here you have storage. Where you have you've got your little storage areas here. You really have a lot of space, more space than you think. And then another storage area under here. Here is your pump, and you have more plugs to plug in.
Your USB
plugs here, and your CO2 monitor, detector. Okay, and then this all folds down, and you put the cushions all out, and you have an extra place for everyone to sleep.
Yep.
And then if you'll come over here, we have the couch. Couch slides out and lays down, and then you have another sleeping area here for that.
It's big.
Yes. And then under here, what's that? More storage. Okay, there you go.
Nice.
And looky here, what you got? A drink holder.
Hot dog.
Yeah. Did you know that was there?
I sure didn't. Oh.
All right. And then you have your door here. Over here, you got more storage. Well, this is your kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen. Okay.
Ooh, that was such a long walk.
Yeah, so very little. I just put trash bags and stuff in there. Here is your heater. Your heater blows out up right there. So, gotta be careful putting stuff in front of there. Okay, this is the heater. Way back there. So where you adjust the heater, the thermostat, and then it just comes on. And down here is your hot water heater, where you turn on the hot water heater on that switch. Your little spaces in here. More. Got your little.
That drawer that catches everything?
Oh, this one. Yes, you got your junk drawer.
That one.
Yeah. Really, it's like foil and stuff.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I'll just leave that out. I keep forgetting I even have it. I guess because it's in there. So we're going to leave that out. Oh, and looky here. What's this?
Isn't that nice? I reckon that's a stove.
Well, it is a stove. Yep. Propane, turn it on. Bam. And then you can put your plasticware in here. And then more storage space for pots and pans. And then look.
She bolted. Hot dog.
We kick them and spill them constantly.
It's constant to spill.
There's usually a refrigerator here.
But
we just took it out in one of the last videos. I had some a friend of mine, Marshall, helped. I had him take it out, and so I have a shelf now in here.
Yay.
So I don't know. I'm gonna use it for storage. The refrigerator.
It's not very big.
Yeah, it wasn't very big, and it didn't get real cold, and I just kind of got.
It's
used
mediocre.
to having a cooler that was good anyway, so we just carry the cooler. The Pelican cooler, it works great.
It does.
We're now leaving the kitchen. Stepping into the bathroom.
Right?
Okay,
back up.
So come on over, Karen.
Oh.
You got your, what's that? Shower and your commode.
Yeah, there's your little shower curtain.
Your shower curtain, and then you have another one that comes all the way out so you can change before you get into the shower. Get your bathroom storage in there. All right?
Yeah, awesome.
King size bed, and then all these nice little lights. There you go.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yep. And, the radio.
Oh, yeah. Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
And there's speakers on the outside
and
too.
the inside. We got 2 speakers inside, and then
there it is.
a big speaker outside. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, and then this light switch here turns the running LED blue lights on. That's
On the
real
outside?
On the outside. That's really pretty.
That's cool.
Yeah, and you also have a smoke detector over there in the corner, and
Scanning.
your AC and fan, which this works amazing.
Oh,
Little fan right there.
Mm-hmm. Exhaust
Suck
fan.
all that stuff. Whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the inside. So we'll take you outside. Okay, so we're on the outside of the Flagstaff. We have to worry about falling out of this. I'm good underneath here.
Mm-hmm.
All
It's
the
a
way
good
around.
seal.
It's a real good seal, and you're in good and safe. So over here we have our table, which just slides. It just slides on. Oh, right there and off. Yep.
Nice.
Nice. I like having it because you.
Mm-hmm. I do too. It's this little outlet right here where you
This
can.
plug.
Yeah, I plug in my phone charger out here, and I just sit it right there on that little table. Mm-hmm.
Yep, you can do that.
Charge it up.
And then you get this grill with it. It just hooks right up to the propane. There's your outside speakers. So have this little light out here.
Mm-hmm. It's nice because
Got your antenna.
Yeah. and your LED, they're lit up.
Yep, got those on.
Mm-hmm.
May not be able to see.
I know it's kind of bright out here.
Yeah.
All right.
And then here you have your bathroom. This is where you take out for the, you know, that's
Your cart thing.
Yep, and it's got wheels on it. Roll it like luggage.
But
And then over here, you got your grill, which is nice. And you got this extra,
cable.
yeah, that you can lock the
Mhm.
generator or anything up with
Mm-hmm.
that you want to lock up. Propane, come on over. An outside light here. It helps at night when you're
Yeah,
out
it
looking
does.
for stuff. And then over here, I love this thing. You got your sprayer.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice to have. Just hook that up. Hot water heater and stuff. This was where the refrigerator went, but took that out. And then you got your shower. Okay, and over here you have a shower on the outside with hot and cold water too, which is nice.
Yeah.
Here's your connections to your water. And then you got your AC hookup, which goes up there. Don't make the mistake and hook your camper up and raise it before plugging this in.
Yep.
You can store a bunch of water in here, and so take it with you in your tank down there. Here's your plug-in, and then look, you got your TV thing out here. All right, so hope that you enjoyed the tour of the Flagstaff camper. If you don't already have one, that you get one soon and get out and enjoy camping. Yeah. All right, well, like and subscribe, please.
Yeah.
Because hopefully you learned a lot from just seeing the tour. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks,
Bye.
y'all.